Then, back in September of 2010, a Fort Wayne woman fell off Belmont High School stage and into the pit area during a funeral. Now her husband's suing the government, school corporation, and funeral home for $6 million. Brian Scheibel blames the government, North Adams Community School Corporation, and a funeral home for his wife Roxanne's death. Both Brian and Roxanne were at a soldier's funeral, paying their respects in September of 2010. Her sister says she walked across the stage, out towards the crowd, to talk to the soldier's mother. That's when she fell into the pit area. Her sister recalls Roxanne explaining what happened to her afterwards and blamed herself.
She said it was her fault. She said, I am so she was in the intensive care at Lutheran. They had taken her by helicopter. And she said, oh, Carol, I am so stupid. I was just so stupid.
In these documents, Scheibel says his wife died as a result of her fall. She did die just days afterward. He says, quote, the defendants had a duty to provide a reasonably safe premises while conducting the visitation for Staff Sergeant Chad Jenkins. And according to him, it wasn't safe. Scheibel and his lawyer go on to say, quote, they failed to provide adequate lighting, failing to warn of foreseeable dangers, failing to rope off the stage, and failing to provide adequate personnel to supervise and direct visitors. Roxanne's sister Carol questions why Scheibel's wanting to sue these defendants. According to her, Roxanne admitted it was her fault before she died.
I love my sister dearly, but you can't walk out in front of a semi and then sue the semi driver.
I tried to call Mr. Scheibel and went to his home this evening, but never got a hold of him. He filed this wrongful death complaint February 24th.